Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a Coinbase account in the UK. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so if you're on a laptop or a computer device like me, you just have to open up your internet browser, and then you have to go to the Google website and search for Coinbase. However, if you're on a mobile or tablet device, so if you're on an Android or iPhone device, or if you're on an Android tablet or an Apple iPad, you can just download the Coinbase application. However, if you are on a computer or laptop device, just go to google.com and here just search for Coinbase, and it should be the first or second link. So in my case it's the second link, so I'm just gonna click on it, and here I just have to click on sign up in the top right corner. So just click on it and then just select individual or business, whatever is the most relevant to you. So just select the relevant option and then just click on get started, this blue button right here, and then you have to put in your email address, or alternatively you can sign up with Google, and then you will be given some simple prompts and some simple steps that you will have to follow, such as verifying your identity with your driver's license or your passport, and then you have to do some you will have to perform some simple steps, and then you can just create your Coinbase account. So this is how you create a Coinbase account in the UK. So if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.